Good afternoon, everybody. Today's Sunday, January 25th, and welcome to a snowstorm. As of right now, I cleaned up a little bit over here, but you can see the depth already. We have about a foot of snow already, and still coming down strong. Um, this is probably one of the larger ones we've had in a long time, and not happy, but what can you do? Mother Nature is Mother Nature. Look at this. You can tell the height already of the snow on the planter boxes, and looks beautiful. But boy, what a storm! This is my needle palm, and right now I'm gonna shake some of that off and take some of the weight off. Doing this constantly during the day. I want her to stay pristine and beautiful. And look how she just shrugs off the cold. You can see the snow, even though with the wind accumulating on top of the palm boxes, and it is not nice out here. Looks beautiful, but not nice. Take a look at how deep the thing is getting. The Yakas just shrugged. This thing's off. Unbelievable snowstorm this season. Streets are barren. Nobody out here, and the plows keep coming back and forth about every hour. Supposed to get a total of about 18 inches. Right now, we're gonna go into my sunroom and check things out and show you a couple of things I want to show you. All right, let's go into my sunroom. Whew, nice and warm in here. It's about 65 degrees right now in my sunroom, and everything you're seeing here has been here since late October, which is about 3 months. It's my Schefflera right there. It's a Monstera. And everything else looking really well. It's my bird of paradise right there. And my Gigantea, Joca Gigantea. Everything doing well, looking nice and green in here. This is my brook mancha right here, and lost all her leaves, and she's dormant right now. But nice and green. And a friend of mine gave me these. Right, look how beautiful these things are. Don't know what these are. I got to do some research on them. But look how beautiful those things are. And they're doing really well here. Semi shade. My Inset banana looking really great. It's my aloe. My other Inset banana right there. Crotons. Beautiful. Hawaiian Tyloo doing really well in here. I don't see any mealybugs so far this year, so that's a good thing. And that's a Tangelo, which was blooming, and it's still blooming, but probably won't go nowhere since not enough sunlight in here, just enough to keep everything green. Like a grapefruit, already turning ripe, even though they're kind of small. Beautiful. All my citrus in here doing all well, and I even have a blood orange. Take a look at that blood orange. Look at my, yep, right in my hand there. It's a blood orange. Beautiful. What I wanted to show you really was my papaya plant. She's right here. I got 9 foot ceiling, so she's right up, almost against up the ceiling. And take a look. She's got a papaya. Isn't that wonderful? And surprise, surprise, we're going back here. That's the rest of my citrus, and that's my avocado plant right there. One of my pineapples has a pineapple. Will you look at that? Isn't that amazing, huh? Nice surprise. I wasn't expecting that. Anyway, have a beautiful, blessed day. Take care of yourself. Stay warm. Time to go shovel some snow. A blessed day to you, and I'll see you on the next one.